Unraveling the art of mapping out details. Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting phrase, mapping out details. It's a phrase you might come across in various contexts, whether in planning, organizing, or even in casual conversation. Understanding this phrase is not just about adding to your vocabulary, but also about enhancing your ability to communicate effectively in English. So, let's get started and explore what it means to map out details. Mapping out details essentially means planning or outlining all the small or intricate parts of something. Think of it as drawing a map, but instead of roads and rivers, you're charting out steps, elements, or aspects of a project or idea. This phrase underscores the importance of careful planning and organization, ensuring that nothing is overlooked. When you map out details, you're doing more than just sketching a broad overview. You're diving deep into the specifics, laying out each component that needs to be considered. This can apply to writing a book, planning an event, developing a business strategy, or even organizing your study schedule. It's about getting a clear vision of what needs to be done by when, how, and by whom. Mapping out details is crucial for several reasons. Efficiency and effectiveness. It helps in making your work more organized and streamlined, ensuring that every aspect is accounted for. Clarity and direction. It provides a clear roadmap for you or your team, making it easier to understand the steps involved in a project. Problem prevention. By considering all details in advance, you can foresee potential issues and address them before they become bigger problems. This approach is not just about planning. It's about setting yourself up for success. It's the difference between wandering in a forest and walking through it with a map. Here are some tips on how to effectively map out details. 1. Start with the big picture. Outline the overall goal or objective first. 2. Break it down. Divide the main goal into smaller, manageable tasks or stages. 3. Detail each step. For each task or stage, outline the specific actions, resources, and timelines needed. 4. Review and adjust. Once you have everything laid out, review your plan to ensure it covers everything. Be prepared to adjust as necessary. Remember, the key is flexibility. While it's important to map out details, be open to modifying your plan as situations change. We hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, mapping out details, and why it's such a valuable skill in both personal and professional settings. Whether you're embarking on a new project or setting goals for yourself, taking the time to map out the details can make a significant difference in your success and efficiency. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content. See you in the next video.